Dear friends, I am B. Singh, CMD, Mediji Group. You are watching GATE 2019 Toppers Talk. Today in Toppers Talk, Mr. Srinivasa Reddy is with me. He has secured All India Rank 9 in EC branch, Electronics and Communication branch. He secured 80 marks and his score is 964 out of 1000. He has completed his graduation BTech from JNTU Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh, and he belongs to Andhra Pradesh. His father is farmer and he has done excellent work in the field of education because he likes education. He has made the education as a career. He has studied and he has prepared and he has worked in this field. So first of all, Mr. Reddy, congratulations on achieving this rank. I would like to know how you started your study for the GATE and what are your ideas which made you to bring the 9th rank in GATE?
When I was in my college days, I always used to dream to get a very good rank, like in top 10. But I completed my graduation in 2013, but this is 2019.
Right.
But after that also I got rank 10 because I have a dream, that strong dream in my college days.
So you didn't lose your hope, you continued and you appeared in
the
engineering services interview also this year.
Yes, sir. And in fact, especially about this attempt, just before going to the sleep, next day GATE examination is there. Still I am thinking whether to give the exam or not because I seriously not very well prepared for the examination.
But still you did.
Still I did. Let's see, after wake up we can see whether to give or not.
Okay.
And I went.
So you decided on the day of GATE exam whether I should appear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Every year I used to write the GATE examination just for a knowledge check. That not I don't want to use this score for any MTech admission or a PSU admission.
Right.
My single aim is to become an IES officer, and I definitely become that. And before that, I don't want to go for any other field. I don't want to spoil the opportunities of others. So that's why I never applied. Even I never prepared any resume. My only resume is my UPSC DAF.
So right. Mr. Reddy is Mediji alumni and he has a wonderful experience with the Mediji. I just will take one question from you. What is your opinion and experience about the Mediji?
My experience with Mediji is really awesome. See, Mediji is a single platform where all things that need for a student together at the same place. Like you will get an excellent test series, you will get excellent faculty, and all the good student will come to the Mediji. So you will have a very good environment.
Teachers are good, environment is good, students are good, and that is why the ranks are good.
And management is good, which is very important. And my personal experience, I have some interaction with many institutes as an educator in different times. So I have never seen this much commanding management in this particular field.
We do always try to make it a very professional way and supportive to the students. Reddy, coming to the preparation method.
Yes, sir.
What is the right path to start with the zero for the electronics branch? What subjects, how to start, whether it should be directly class or some initial homework needed?
Yes, sir. I want to continue. Let us assume that student don't know anything. He don't have any basic knowledge.
Okay.
Then my suggestion is to go for some coaching classes so that you can learn a very huge knowledge in short time. When you are listening from an expert, then definitely the terminology will be habituated for you very quickly.
Exactly.
So in this course time, I have developed a different type of strategy to prepare for any competitive examination. So it will have 3 different stages. If you permit, I will explain in detail how to prepare. So in this, let us take first you have attended for coaching classes. Now you will have a coaching, you have the notes which is dictated by your expert. So first start from that class notes. Don't go for directly standard textbooks because after reading 4 or 5 pages you will get demotivated while reading for standard textbooks, and it is not advisable. Just read the class notes and read it chapter wise, not in a stretch. So let us take network theory as an example. First basics you will have. So read the basics entire in a class notes. And after that open the previous GATE questions book which is provided by the Mediji.
Right.
So in that also we will provide, they will provide like network theory and chapter wise they will give the previous questions.
Exactly.
And practice do all the previous GATE questions of chapter 1 only.
Right.
And after that go to the chapter 2 in class notes and then do the practice questions of chapter 2 and complete like this in the first time.
Right.
And while doing like this, prepare a shorthand notes.
Mhm.
Shorthand notes, you should not spare more than 30 to 40 pages for a single subject.
Right. So that
And
for the
these
last
points,
moment
last
before the
moment,
exam.
not only the last moment, from the next time, because if you see the gate questions, you need not to have theory, all the things every time. It will go in based on some fundamentals, they will frame the question. So if you know that fundamentals, you can solve the question. It is the matter of solving the questions. So while solving the previous gate questions, you will come to know in which way I have to remember in future, what the things I have to recall. So after completion of that chapter, previous gate questions practice,
Right.
write the shorthand notes. What are the things in future I have to recall?
Right. So,
So
short notes become very
short
useful
notes become very
when you
useful.
want to attempt the test series, or when you are going for the exam. Before the exam, you can revise quickly.
Revise. Now you have prepared shorthand notes.
So
and you have
MeitY has
completed
also
the
published the handbook
Handbook,
that
yes,
is
sir.
equivalent to the short notes. If you are not able to prepare the short note, you can refer to the
You can
handbook.
refer to that also.
Handbook.
In the second stage, you have to do that. Now network theory you have completed one time. In the second time revision, what you have to do, you have to read entire shorthand notes at a stretch. It will 30-40 pages, not more than 2 to 3 hours you have to
Okay.
spare for that. And after that, you have to practice all the previous gate questions in network theory in a stretch,
Right.
from chapter 1 to chapter. Previously you have studied chapter wise. Now you
Right.
are doing subject wise.
Right.
So do this stage as many number of times as you can. And I am suggesting students, if you are preparing for gate examination, please practice only previous gate questions. Don't rely on any other things, or ESC previous
Right.
questions also.
But do you suggest solving the electrical question papers or instrumentation papers
Yeah,
also along with the
obviously,
EC papers?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because
For
for
the common
example, some
subjects?
subjects are common in instrumentation, electrical, and electronic branches. Then you can go for other branches also. Previous gate questions for practice, because sometimes in gate questions there will be logics depending on the branch background also.
Right.
Some, even though it is network theory, some questions will be different in electrical, electronics, and network theory also.
Right. So you
You
develop
will
your
have
broad
way
thinking.
and
Yeah.
how to relate the subject with applications and all. If you see for example digital electronics, we will find very beautiful questions in instrumentation compared to electronics also
Exactly.
sometimes. So
Exactly.
it related to the branch of study. They will compare, they will relate the subject to the application of that particular branch.
Right. Usually, students start preparing from the important subjects first. But in your opinion, which are the subjects they should study first, and then the other subjects after that?
So I also suggest this to start from their favorite
Mathematics.
subjects sometimes, because that boosts the confidence, first
Confidence.
of all. Otherwise they may demotivate itself in the starting
Correct.
stage. So that is also a good idea, starting with their favorite subjects. But compared to coming to the gate examination, not only the favorite thing is needed, but basics also needed.
Exactly.
Because in gate examination we have to do calculations so much in the examination. Even it may be technical question you are attempting, you should be very good in calculations. So
Right.
having a strong base in the mathematics and aptitude type of subjects is very
Mathematics
very
has direct applications in
applications
signal
to
and
the
system,
signals and
network
system.
theory,
Yes, yes,
and
sir.
many other places.
So not
EMT
only
also.
in every field of engineering we will find
The
mathematics
mathematics.
as the application.
Right. And if I ask you to categorize the subject in two categories, number one, which are very important and they have the more weightage in gate, and the second, which are less important. So what 4-5 subjects in first category you would like to keep?
I would like to keep network theory, control
Right.
systems, signals and systems, and analog
Mathematics.
circuits, digital circuits, mathematics in
Right.
that. So because they always, every year they will have
They
huge
are.
weightage. And other subjects also important, but
Important,
compared to
yes.
these are very easy and high weightage.
Okay.
If you have the time, then you can go for
Go. And
communication
in today's
systems.
environment, when the cutoffs are going high, I think all the subjects should be prepared
Should be
completely, and with the
prepared
full syllabus has to be covered.
Yes, sir. That
Right.
is true.
Right. You have faced GATE and IES both exam, and you got the interview call for IES also.
Yes, sir.
What is your opinion? GATE and IES preparation can be done together, or one has to focus only in one exam?
Yes, sir. They both can be together. They can do together. They both. There is not much difference, because if you take the technical subjects, there is a huge overlap in the subject. But non-technical you have to cover separately in the engineering services. And people use it to fear for paper 1 in engineering services. And one secret I will tell you. If you are very good with engineering mathematics aptitude, then you can get 50 plus marks very easily.
Right.
And even without preparation, you can go for exam and mark something, you will get marks. It is just game of examination, paper 1 UPSC. So technically is almost 90%, 80% syllabus is same for GATE and IES examination. If you are very well interested in other subjects also, then it is very easy to do both in a parallel way.
Right. You have always believed in learning from basics,
Yes,
and
sir.
that is why GATE and IAS, both the exams you almost cracked, and IAS also you appeared in the interview. What suggestions you would like to give to the aspirants? What should be their model of study to start,
I
or
want
something which is important for them?
So, I myself, what I learned from my life is that even you may not have any basics in your life, you
Right.
can start something and you can achieve something. For example, when I was in my diploma second year, I don't know anything about the electronics. Seriously, I am saying I am a guy who spends entire day in the ground or movie theaters. I never used to attend for the classes, and there is no option left for me except for cracking ESET examination.
Right.
After completion of the third year, I appeared for the within final year. When I was in final year of diploma, I had appeared for a ESET examination for getting admission into BTech, and I got all India state 8th rank in that examination. I don't know nothing when completion of the second year, and I got 8th rank in the state level after completion of the third year. Within that 1 year, I did so much hard work from the zero level.
Right.
So even you may be at zero level, you can achieve anything if you do it dedicatedly, very strong, and you should be very single focusedly. When you thought that you have to prepare for the examination and you are thinking about the other things also, then focus will be disturbed. So if you are being focused, and absolutely you can do anything in your life.
That is correct. So with this ninth rank in GATE 2019, what is your next plan?
There is no special plan at this moment.
Because
My dream
you-
is to clear engineering service examination, and I will appear for the engineering service examination
2019.
2019 mains in the June
Right.
30.
So you have already cleared the prelims.
Prelims I have cleared, sir, and I'm
So
very
my
much-
best wishes are with you, and I hope that once again after you qualify in IAS and final list in top rank, and
Definitely,
again you will be in the same seat. And I wish you all the best. That
Sure,
I'll
sir.
take you
Thank
once
you very
more your
much.
interview. MADIG is a wonderful organization, friends, and we provide the guidance for the GATE, IAS, and other exams for engineers. And next IAS is an initiative of the MADIG for the civil services exam preparation. If you want any support from us for the GATE and IAS or civil services, do not hesitate. Take the support from us. This year we are starting summer GATE courses also for those students who are in colleges. They are in third year, second year, and they want to prepare for the GATE exam. In 70 days course you can join during the month of May. It will be a wonderful experience that you will learn all these subjects, and in 600 to 650 hours of teaching in 70 days. And with this I'll say keep on preparing, keep yourself motivated, and nothing is difficult, nothing is impossible. One day you will do. These are my best wishes. Thank you.